Hey guys, it's Carrie, and today I wanted to do kind of a craft fair share with you guys. We have got a craft fair that we do every year at my work, and of course I love to participate. Usually I do junk journals, and I'm sure they'll have a few of them there as well this year, but I also have been making a few other things that I just thought I would take a few minutes and just share with you guys. As we all love to do, there's so much DIY available on YouTube, and I love to watch videos and then think about how I can, take the concept and kind of incorporate it and make it my own, essentially. And so that is what I'm going to be sharing with you today. So one of the ideas that I want to share with you is inspired by Wendy's Journal Adventures. I think you've seen me make the flip pockets before, and I just made another altered version of that, and they are gift card holders, and so I want to share those with you. And then I have made some bookmarks or planner clips using giant jumbo paper clips, and then I've also made some cute little hot cocoa packs, and then I'm working on gnomes as well. So let me just show you quickly so you can see this big pile down here. These are all going to be gift card holders. So here is one example, and then what you do is you flip it up, and then on the inside you've got the slot right here. I stuck a business card in there, but a gift card will fit in there. And then down here on the bottom I took a piece of coffee dyed paper and I folded it in half, and then I stamped on the bottom homes and trees with some little snowflakes falling, and I used, I think it was a walnut, or no, it was a ground espresso Tim Holtz color for the ink, but I thought it would be really nice because you can just write a special message to whoever you are going to be sending this to. So it's homemade, handmade. I think it adds a special little extra touch, and then you just flip it down. So I've got several different designs and patterns on here. All the paper that I used is double-sided. So like on this one, I don't have any lace on there, but here's the inside. There's your floral cover. So they're all different. And I love this one. I love the deer matched and mingling with that polka dot. Fun and frosty. I love this paper. I think it's just gorgeous. Letters. We've got stripes. And then this one's cute as well. So those are going to be put into my craft fair this year. Again, just a funsy little item to make that's a little bit different. And so rather than just, handing somebody a gift card, because a lot of people do gift cards at Christmas, which I think is so cool, because then, we can go out and get whatever you've been, thinking about or you have on your wish list. But it's just a nice way to give it a little extra special touch. Plus, a lot of us have family who, maybe don't live in the area. And so these are going to be, you can see they're thinner. Obviously, once you put a gift card in there, it's going to bulk up just a little bit, but it won't be too bad. So easy to mail as well. It should fit in just a regular, Christmas card envelope, truly. So you just tuck it in and you're good to go. So that's going to be one thing that I have. I have also made hot cocoa packs. So again, working with double-sided paper, and I have just made pockets on there, and then I've got a little Swiss Miss hot cocoa in there. These little cutouts come from the paper pad kit that I was working with, and I've got some twine on this one, and they're all different. Here's a cute one. Got some pretty poinsettias on there. This one's got little stockings. Here's one here with the cool lettering. So easy to make. And I think fun, especially for a craft fair, because a lot of times people are just kind of looking for easy, quick grab and go. And I love going to craft fairs every year as well, and I'm always looking for cool ideas, but also things that are just, easy and practical. And that's just a nice little something. Great stocking stuffers too is kind of what I was thinking about as well. So hot cocoa, little packs, and then I've got the gift card holders, and then I have got bookmarks or junk journal planner kits. And so these are jumbo paper clips. These are florets, and I've got a variety of colors that I have been working with. All the, you know, little kits and stuff. Every one of them is different. So you're going to get 2, which I think will be nice. And the colors that I worked with, I have got like a dark pink and a light pink, cream, of course. I have that teal. I have got black, and then I also have, let's see, these very cool. Sorry, shaking my camera. And I even have got red. I thought red and cream together, actually, I thought would be really nice because Christmas, holiday time. But many people are, you know, readers just on the regular, and so that would be a nice little touch, I'm hoping. And then the other thing that I want to show you just quickly is my camera, my tripod is not a legitimate, you know, standing up tripod. It's just a kind of a hangover one, and so you're not going to get quite the full effect of what I'm going to try to show you, but I want you to see this is what I'm making. So these are gnomes. I wish that he could stand, but maybe I'll just hold him like this. Anyways, here he is. He's a little fatty boy. Boom. And he can just sit right there and tuck down. And I've got gray with some black and white. I have got pinks. They're so snuggly. And I think they are just super cute. I've got some little raffia on the side. His beard is very soft. Here's his little nose. Kind of looks like that. I have got a red one here. Kind of looks like Santa. Here's his little twine. So these gnomes are decent size. They're probably, you know, no less than 10 inches tall, maybe even 11. So they're going to be great to just kind of hang out and sit on a shelf. I think it's going to be fun. I'm hoping to make, you know, at least 10, ideally 20, but we'll see what kind of time I actually end up with as I, you know, am kind of pulling things together. But anyway, just wanted to share with you a couple neat little craft fair ideas. So hey, thanks so much for watching, and I hope that you have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.